Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be talking about avocados. It's going to be a short video, but we definitely need to talk about it. So this is a Hass avocado, it's from Mexico. And I just want to talk about how you handle an avocado and how you tell if they're ripe or not. You can see that when I press on it, it goes in a little bit, which means it's just about perfectly ripe. What happens is if you can push on it too easy, when you cut it open, there's a really good chance that it's going to be very, very dark and even black inside. If it's too hard, it's not going to be ripe and not going to have any flavor. So you always want to make sure that you're using a ripe avocado. That's the first part of it. But how do you store an avocado? If you put it in the refrigerator, it ripens very, very slowly. If you leave it out, it will ripen faster. So depending on how many avocados you buy at a time and how fast you want to use them, depends on whether you put them in the refrigerator or leave them out. I generally go shopping once a week and I'll buy 3 or 4 avocados. The ones that I'm going to be using later in the week always go into the refrigerator. The ones that I'm going to be using today or tomorrow always stay out. So depending on how ripe it is and when I'm going to be using it depends on how I'm going to store it, whether it's going to go into the refrigerator or just sit out on my table. So I just wanted to discuss this with you because it is important. I'm going to see how I did with this one. I'm going to cut it open. So what I do is I just take a knife and I basically, you'll notice that my knife is staying still. I'm spinning the avocado, go all the way around, go like that, and it's perfect inside. The pit comes out easy, which means it's ripe. If the pit doesn't come out, the pit's not ripe. Just take your finger, hold that thought for a second. Get a spoon. Take out the spot where the pit was. And we have a perfectly ripe avocado ready to use. I'm just going to be slicing this. And my avocado is ready to use, and there we go. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Be safe.